Welcome back. This is the walkthrough for Silver Rhythm number 7. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here together. So once again, we are in 4/4 time, very basic time signature. That's going to allow us to focus on some new rhythms that we might not have seen very much. In this one, we have dotted eighth notes followed by 16th notes in the first measure and the second measure. And then we have the reverse in the third measure, a 16th note followed by a dotted eighth note. So what we need to remember is that the dot adds half of the value of whatever comes before it. If you remember from our earlier lessons on 5 and 6, we can split one eighth note into two 16th notes. So if one eighth note gets two 16th notes, a dotted eighth note is going to add half more of that. So we're going to add one more 16th note. That's going to be 3 of the 4 16th notes. So here in the first measure, we would count that 1E and a 2E and a 3. And then in the third measure, it's the opposite. 1 and 2E and a 3E and a 4. So 3 of the 4 16th notes are found inside the dotted eighth note, and that final fourth set of the 16th notes is the one that's left there. So let's go ahead and turn on a metronome, and we'll go ahead from the beginning. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3E and a go. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2E and a 3 and 4E and a 1 and 2E and a 3E and a 4 and 1E and a 2 and 3E and a 4 and off. So I would recommend you do that a couple times. Feel free to use the slow down feature there on the scroll button there on YouTube, where you can slow that down if you need to do that a little bit slower with me. And then let's go ahead and play that together after you've counted that a couple times. There's the metronome. Here we go together. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and go. Good job. So go ahead and make sure that you've counted through that a couple times with me and played through it a few times with me, and make sure you're matching exactly, tapping your toe, feeling those subdivisions in your head. When you feel that you've got that down, go ahead and submit that for your pass off.